Hello everyone, in this week's video I'm sharing how I made my kitchen drawers in my cupboards. I'm really pleased with them because these cupboards are really dark. I used to often lose things, and actually these have been a really good solution. They were really cheap, I did them quite quickly. I had all the materials on hand except the drawer slides that were actually really cheap from Screwfix, and I'm really chuffed with the results, so I thought I'd share it with you. If you decide to do this project, then I would love to know, so leave me a comment if you do.
First, I measured the base of the cupboard, taking into account the face frame. I used some scrap wood and measured to allow for the face frame so that the drawer would slide past it. I cut the pieces of wood using my miter saw, and then I used my pocket hole jig to make 2 holes to secure the pieces of wood to the bottom of the cupboard. I like to draw a line on each side, exactly the same on both sides, to secure the drawer slides. I know that as long as the line is in the centre of each drill hole, then the drawer slide will be level.
I'm just in the workshop and I wanted to show you the drawer slides. So the back piece here, if I pull this out, this piece here is the bit that's attached to the cabinet. So I'd make my holes, pilot holes here, pull that bit back a little bit, and you'll see that I can make another hole there. That's the bit that's attached to the cabinet, and I use a line on, as you saw, to make sure that that is completely level. And then this bit here is the bit that the drawer itself is attached to. And this piece, for me, comes out completely. If you turn it over, it's got like a piece of plastic here, and you push it down, and if I had 2 hands, I'd do it, but that bit then, this piece of the drawer slide will come out completely, and that is the bit that is attached to the drawer. And I really do recommend these. I was a little bit afraid to use them to begin with, but I really recommend them because you can really maximise the space in your drawer by having this full extension.
I'm just adding the final couple of screws and ensuring that it's level. Next, I cut the pieces of wood for the drawer sides and install the slides using small wood screws. When I slide the drawer slides in, I know that they will definitely fit. I measure for the base of the drawer and I cut a piece of MDF for the base. I prefer this method because I know that I've got the exact measurements and I know that it will fit. Next, I cut the front and back of the drawer. I use some wood glue first to secure it with some wood screws. Here I am measuring for the back piece to get the perfect cut. I decided to screw in the base into the front and back, so I made countersunk holes. I added a couple of extra screws and it was finished. Here is the finished drawer. I used the drawer for a couple of days and then decided to add some contact paper to the bottom so that I could wipe it out easily. I used the same method and made a similar drawer for my oils and vinegar and seasonings. I love my drawers, they are so much easier to manage now. This has been such a nice, quick and easy project that I've really enjoyed. If you're new here, then please subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye!